Good afternoon, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So I'm very excited. It's gonna be the last birthday trip of July. I am currently gonna head over to the Orlando International Airport, but I'm at this place called Park and Fly. It's very close to the airport, and if you want to save some money on parking, it's about like $9 a day. So we're heading over to Jamaica. That's the island I'm originally from, but this trip is gonna be like kind of like a just adventurous trip. I'm gonna show you where we're staying, what we're doing on our excursions, like basically bring you guys along everything what we're doing in Jamaica. So I'm super excited. My birthday is actually tomorrow, July 16th. I know I've been celebrating all month long of July, but I'm just too excited. So come along as we head over to the airport. Alright guys, so since we got an hour till we board, I'm gonna go get some food in the food court here at the Orlando International Airport. There's so many choices to choose from: Chick-fil-A, Firehouse, McDonald's. So since Panda was like the shortest line, decided to come here in the food court. I had got the fried rice and the orange chicken with broccoli and beef, and it looks pretty good. Like I always tell you guys, TSA pre-check is a must. It's like worth it if you travel as much as I do per year, because you don't take any shoes off, you don't take your laptop off. It's like 5 minutes, boom, you skip right all the regular lines and head towards your gate. So now I'm waiting for the APM is coming, which is like their train system from here to get to the gates. So I'm very excited. I'm glad my flights are on time compared to, like, remember the last flight I went on, how I got delayed or canceled and all that. This one is on time, so birthday trip is going well so far.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. The doors are now closing. Please stand clear of doors and hold on to the handrails. The shuttle will be departing momentarily. Orlando and Central Florida has so much to offer. There's a good chance you didn't see and do it all. So please come back and visit us again very soon. This is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. We hope you enjoyed your Orlando.
Crazy. So I'm in the Orlando International Airport, and I was walking to the bathroom, and this girl started waving me down. And then she's like, "Hey, is that Elizabeth?" I was like, "What are the odds of running into somebody I know on the same flight, same date?" So this is Kathy, right?
Yeah.
It's cool.
School together.
Yeah. Yeah, we're both going to Jamaica, just different resorts, but we're going to the same place. So this is very exciting. Alright guys, we're finally going on the plane. I'm super excited. The weather is nice. Hopefully when I get to Jamaica, the weather is nice over there too. Yeah, we're about to board on the plane right now. I think we're in the middle of this plane because we're like seat 19. But here we go. Alright, so just arrived in Jamaica. I'm in Montego Bay right now, and we're waiting for the bus transportation to take us to the hotel. And then today is just basically a resort day, hanging out at the pool, the beach. I'm going to show you all the places we're going to eat at, and show you a room tour and resort tour. So I'm very excited. We should be there in a couple minutes.
Yeah.
Anif is loading all the baggages to the window, and then my friend Ken was like, "Is he gonna throw us to the window next?"
Mine.
How much time?
Mine.
Your first time?
Yes.
No,
So what about the lady?
No.
No.
We've been here.
Been here enough times. We're from Kingston, you know.
Enough time.
Yeah, man.
So what happened this time? You didn't get cut this time, right? So for you come to Jamaica for the first time, tell me one thing make you realize that you're not in the US. You come for the first time. What made you realize that today you're not in the US?
What do I see here?
Eh?
What I see here?
Yeah, tell me one thing you see in Jamaica make you see that you're not in the US.
Well, I've only been in Jamaica 5 minutes, so I'm not quite sure yet.
No, man. But
Other than the sunshine.
But you on the road, party. You on the road, man.
And everybody drives on the wrong side of the road.
That's exactly what I'm talking about, man. You see something, right? But you get the number one, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. If you was in the US, man, you would be in the next side of the world and you're still over there, right?
Right.
Because in Jamaica, everything upside down. You see where you are? In the wrong side of the world.
Alright guys, I just arrived to my hotel. I'm checking into the Jewel Grand Resort in Montego Bay. And this is the check-in registration area. So I fill out this information so I get my room key and then head to the room.
Immediate building to your right. Silver Palm Tower, which is referred to as building B.
So Andre, right? I said Andre, yeah, he's gonna be showing us how to get to our room. It's a big resort.
Alright, so making a right turn here. Your tower, you're facing directly here.
Oh wow.
Once you proceed inside at the entrance, take your immediate left turn and continue walking straight.
Okay.
Your room number is...
Guys, this is something different. I'm used to card room keys and they gave us a bracelet and this is basically the room key to get in the room. And this is also to say that you're staying at the all-inclusive for the drinks and food and everything. So this is different. Okay, so I'm staying in B102 and like I said, this is the room key. The bracelet they gave us right here that says Jewel Grand. Let's go. When I first walked in, you guys, look at this and the kitchen area. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. They gave me a little birthday tree. That is so nice. And then champagne. What? That is so cool. I feel like I'm in an apartment or a condo or something because it's so spacious. Like I have my own personal kitchen, granite countertops, a stove, a microwave. Look at all this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let's see. Whoa, and it's stocked and all this is included. The sodas, the beer, the water bottles. Look at all this. All the storage. Whoa. This is cool, man. Really nice. And then you walk over here and then this is like the living room area. We got a big flat screen TV. A lot of seating and a little balcony out here. This is pretty cool. I mean, not much of a view is off of the resort, but this is nice. 2 seatings. And then now we are going to be walking over to the bedroom, bathroom area because, let's see, what's this? A closet? And then, wow, look at that shower, guys. That is amazing. I love rainfall shower heads. Woo! And a hot tub right here. Very, very fancy. This is the bed. I have another TV with storage over there. And then I think this is another closet. Yep. Look how big. A big another closet with a safe. And then I'm gonna walk over to the toilet sink area. So this is the sink. Toilet. Oh, that's a nice painting right here. I'm gonna open this closet. I want to see what they have here. Wow, we have our own washer and dryer. I feel like I'm back home. This is crazy, but very nice. You know what I'm gonna notice too, because you know how I always like have like 6 to 7 charging ports for devices. They got USB here, they got here, like they got all over here. So it's plenty of charging ports. Along the lamp, they even have the one against the wall. The kitchen, they got plenty, got probably 6 outlets here in the kitchen area. One against the wall. And then by the TV area. So lots of charging ports. So I took a step outside because I wanted to see the view. I know they said it's just a partial ocean view, not ocean front. So there's the difference between ocean view and ocean front. And the difference is that ocean view is a part of the ocean. You can see the trees might be in the way, but and then ocean front is directly on the ocean. You can walk from your room like right into the water. But this is paradise. This is so beautiful. It's so fancy. It's bougie, like luxurious. Wow, like I said, it doesn't feel like a hotel. It feels like a mansion, like a condo or something. You don't know, but this is great. All right, so finally got our suitcases, and this is just a little quick view of the ocean. This is so nice. Like I said, this resort is so huge. So one thing I like about being at an all-inclusive resort is like all the unlimited drinks and food. And look, so the first drink I already got is the Bob Marley daiquiri. Look, and it's like right by the beach and pool area, so this is very convenient. I think it is very refreshing. It's actually one of my favorites. So I had got 2 different types of patties. This is very popular in Jamaica. One is a chicken patty and the other one is beef. Alright, so I believe this one is the chicken patty. Like from the place tasties, but I still prefer the beef one more, but they're both really good. Alright, so for the main entree I had got some rice and peas, and then this is festival, and then over here I got the escavis fish. And it's funny how the forks that they gave us is like these wooden forks.
Alright, let it go.
Alright guys, so I'm on drink number 2. This is the mudslide. Mudslide is basically like a coffee liquor alcoholic drink. But you guys know me, I like my stuff sweet, so that's my second drink of the day. So alright guys, so I'm gonna go into the spa right now. And I gotta show you the view. Once you go down the steps, you go right here, and it's a beautiful view of the ocean. And then when I turn around, I'm gonna show you one of the pools right here. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be walking down the beach area and gonna be catching a beautiful sunset. They're about an hour behind from our time, so currently 6:30, the sunset's at 6:50. So I'll catch it while I'm hanging out by the beach. It's nice and peaceful. I'm only like one person on here, so it basically feels like I have it to myself. I'm just not gonna be swimming in it tonight because look at all those, what is that, seaweed or something? But oh yeah, this is nice. Actually, I'm gonna make a quick walk because there's a little pathway right here in front of me against this boardwalk that leads over there. So I'm gonna walk down out there really quick. I love this, walking down the empty pathway and just hearing the waves hit, like I said, while I'm catching this gorgeous sunset. And just like that guys, the sun is about to set. That's why golden hour is my favorite time of the day. It's just so beautiful, it's so relaxing. It's a nice way to just chill, have some rest and relaxation. That's what a vacation is for, so yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna dip into the pool since it emptied out. So now I basically have it to myself. This is nice. Look at this view with all the palm trees. It's nice and quiet. It's relaxing. It's a lot cooler because I've been sitting in the hot tub for a while. So when you go from there to the pool, yeah, it's a big difference. So I decided to come to the lobby bar, which is like by where you check in. And I'm going to be getting a mojito because that's one of my favorite cocktail. The restaurant I wanted to go to, which is Waves right across the table, wasn't ready because it's busy, so I'm just gonna have a drink until dinner is ready. So this is drink number 3, the mojito. It's the regular mojito. They didn't have any flavor ones, but I still like it. One of my favorite cocktails. So
What's that?
oh yeah. So for tonight, I'm going to be having dinner here at the Waves. Like I said, it's in the main lobby, right across from the lobby bar, which is right here. And then like, it's literally by the check-in. That's where we first came into the resort. So for my appetizer, I had got the crawfish bisque, and this is what the soup looks like. I'm curious to know if this is going to be spicy or not because I've never had this soup before. Alright guys, so let's go. Just take a sip of the soup and see how it is. Oh man. Oh my gosh. It's like burning my throat. It is super spicy. So I told my server that the crawfish was way too spicy for me. I couldn't manage it. So he brought out another soup. It's called the cream of Irish. He's like, try this. You'll probably like it better. This actually came from the steak restaurant, but he brought it over to my restaurant, the Waves. But that was really nice of him. So for my main entree, I had got the snapper fish, and it looks really good. It kind of reminds me almost like a sea bass. So the This is pretty cool.
What do you guys have? Was it steak or?
Oh, no, we went to the Wave restaurant.
Wave.
Yeah.
Alright. It was good?
Yes.
Awesome.
We get to go on a ride on the golf cart, so we're gonna head over to building C right now, so we can head over to the ice cream shop. Nice little stroll through night around this resort.
Night stroll.
Yeah, night stroll.
Yeah.
That's what I just said. This is cool. I'm finally in the Sugar Cane Cafe. They have ice cream and frappuccinos and coffee. Oh, this is so pretty cool. So over here is all their snacks, and then over here is their ice cream. So they got pistachio, grape nut, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and Napoleon. Alright, so the ice cream flavor I end up getting was the rum and raisin. It's one of Jamaican's flavor ice cream here. There's other ones you can get, but I really wanted this. And if you can see behind me that menu right here, I'm definitely going to be back tomorrow and Sunday morning because I want to try the different flavor frappuccinos they have on that menu. Alright guys, that's going to conclude day 1 here in Jamaica, leaving from Orlando MCO Orlando International Airport. It was a smooth flight because it was no delays, no cancellations. We got there, checked in with the JetBlue Vacations because that's the bus transportation, and we only was like with a group of like 2 other people with us, so we were actually the first people to get dropped off at the hotel, which was nice. We didn't have to wait long. And then checking in the hotel was so simple. Like Moya just got in, explained everything really quick, and then we got to the room, and like I said, this suite is so fantastic. Like everything was so like luxurious and fancy. Like wow, everything blew. I told you, it was like one of the nicest hotels in Jamaica that I've stayed at. And I've been to a whole bunch of hotels here because, you know, I come back every single year. And I didn't really go too much in the beach. As you can see, there was a lot of like sea sand, what do you call it? I don't remember what you call those things in the water, but yeah. But caught a gorgeous sunset. Like I said, golden hour is my favorite time of the year. I mean, time of the day. But that infinity like spa and pool area was amazing because you got the view of the ocean and the pool. So it was like wow, it was beautiful. All the palm trees. It's just, you know, Jamaica is just paradise. But this whole hotel has like 3 buildings. So I realized like building A was like the check-in lobby bar, Waves hotel, Waves restaurant, and then the steak restaurants there, and then like building B where my room is currently is where like most of the rooms and the villas and the suites are. And then when you go to building C, that's where they have the ice cream shop, the gift shop, and I think that's where the buffet is, which I'll be doing for breakfast. But that'll be in a separate video because it's gonna end up being way too long. But overall, guys, I hope you enjoyed day 1. Like the second day, I'm going to be doing a waterfall tour and stuff. So on my actual real official birthday, because like I said, I've been celebrating all month of July, is when I'm going to be doing the waterfall tour and having dinner, and I don't know, we'll see what happens, you know. So hope you guys enjoy this day with me coming to Jamaica and celebrating birthday. If you guys are having July birthdays, happy birthday, guys. Happy birthday to you guys too. July babies, Team Cancer, you know. If you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.